exercises answers. First I'm going to discuss about 11.2 exercise. Right, 11.2 exercise given there are 15 parts. Look at the first one. The fractions you have to convert into decimals. Right, using these exercises I will discuss with you several methods to convert the fractions into decimals. Right, look at one method. First given 3 over 5. Right, 3 over 5. The numerator value is 5. The denominator value is numerator value is 3. Denominator value is 5. So 3 over 5 mean, what's the mean of it? 3 divide 5. Right, 3 divide 5. That means this numerator you have to divide by the denominator. Right, now look at long division method. We can divide it. 3 divide 5. How many 5s for 3? There are no 5s. So 0. 0 times 5, 0. Remaining 3. But further you have to divide until receive the remainder value 0. So you can put additional 0 here. Then also when you put the additional 0, you have to keep the decimal point of this position. Right, now you can divide further. 30 divide 5. 30 divide 5, what is the value? 6. 6 times 5, 30. 30 minus 30, 0. Now I received the remainder 0. Now you can stop the division. So what is the answer for first one? 0.6. Right, 0.6. Now let's go to the second one. Second one, 3 over 4. Also using this method, I will go to get the answer 3 over 4. 3 you have to divide by 4. 3 divide 4. 0. 0 times 4, 0. Remaining 3. Further you have to divide. So you can put additional 0 here. Then you have to keep the decimal point. 30 divide 4. 30 divide 4 is 7. 7 times 4, 28. Remaining 2. Remaining is 2, not 0. So further you have to divide, but there are no digits to get here. So you can put additional 0. Then 20 divide 4. The answer is 5. 5 times 4, 20. 20 minus 20, 0. So the answer is 0.74. 75. 0.75. It is the second part answer. Then let's go to the third part. The third part given 8 over 25. Right? 8 I can divide by 25. 8 divide 25, 0. 0 times 25, 0. Remaining 8. Then there are no digits to get here. So you can put additional 0. Then you have to keep the decimal point. 80 divide 25. The answer is 3. 3 times 25, 75. Remaining 5. Then another 0 you can put. 50 divide 25. 2. 2 times 25, 50. 50 minus 50, 0. So the answer is 0.32. Right? 0.32. When you do like these questions for your term test paper, also this answer getting method, also you have to represent of your answer script, right, to get the full marks. Right, then let's go to the next part. Now I will clean this calculation part. Then we can go to next one, number 4. 321 divide 500. Right, now look at how many 500s for 321. There are no 500s. So 0. 0 times 500, 0. So subtract these two. The remaining value is 321. Then you can put 0 here. Then keep the decimal point. 3210. How many 500s? 6. 6 times 500, 3000. Remaining 210. Then another 0 you can put here. 2100 divide 500. 4. 4 times 500, 2000. Then another 100 remaining. Then so further you have to divide. So another 0 you can put here. Then 1000 divide 500. 2 times 500, 1000. So what is the answer? 0.642. Right? It is the answer for fourth part. Then let's go to the next one. 39. We have to divide by 40. How many 40s for 39? 0. 0 times 40, 0. Remaining 39. Then you can put here 0. Then keep the decimal point. 390. How many 40s? There are 9. 9 times 40, 360. Remaining 30. Then another 0 you can put. 300 divide 47. 7 times 40, 280. Remaining 20. Then 200. 200 divide 40. 5 times 40, 200. 200 minus 200, 0. So the answer is 0.975. Right? It is one method. You can convert decimals. You can convert fractions into decimal. Right? The numerator value you can divide by denominator. Then you can get the answer. Right? Then next 5 parts I am going to discuss using another method. Right, let's go to get the answers for the next 5 parts. What is the other method? Other method means the denominator you can convert into power of 10. Right, power of 10 mean also we discussed 11.1 exercise. Power of 10 mean 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Right, like that values you can convert to your denominator of the fraction. Right. Then look at first I will convert this fraction into they are the mixed numbers, no? So first I will convert into improper fractions. Right? What is the improper fraction? 2 times 13, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. Then what you can do? This numerator you can convert into power of 10. You try to convert 2 into 10 by multiplying some value, right? Any value, any whole number. Yes, it is possible. You can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. Then you can convert into 10 of the denominator. The denominator is 10. 27 multiply 5. 5 times 7, 35. Remaining 3. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 30. So you know, if the denominator is 10 of the fraction, you have to keep one decimal place. Then your answer should be 13.5. Right? That means before the last digit you have to keep the decimal point. So the sixth one answer 13.5. Right? It is the sixth one answer. Then let's go to the next one. The next one given 2/7/50. Also first I will convert this one into improper fraction. The improper fraction should be denominator 50. 50 times 200. 100 plus 7, 107. Then you try to convert the denominator into power of 10. We can't convert into 10 by multiplying any value, no, in whole number. But you can convert into 100. Right? To convert into 100, you have to multiply by 2, both numerators and denominators. So denominator should be 100. Numerator should be 107 multiplied 2, 240. So what is the answer? 2 decimal places you have to keep. So that means the numerator last 2 digits before you have to keep the decimal point. So the answer is 2.14. Right? 2.14. It is the answer for 7th one. Right. Then also we can go to discuss the remaining parts. First I'll convert this one into improper fraction. It is mixed number, no? So denominator is 8, numerator 8 times 2 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 over 8. Now you try to convert 8 into power of 10, right? How you can convert? You can't convert by multiplying a whole number into 10. Then also you can try to convert into 100, but it is also impossible. Then you can try to convert into 1000, right? Then to convert into 1000, 8 multiply 125. So both numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 125. So the denominator should be 1000. Numerator 17 multiply 125. 125 multiply 7. Right? 17, 7 times 5 35, remaining 3. 7 times 2 14, plus 3 17, remaining 1. 7 times 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. Then 1 times 5 5, 1 times 2 2, 1 times 1 1. 12, 11, remaining 1 2. Right? So what is the answer? 2125. If the denominator is 1000, you have to keep, there are 3 decimal places of the numerator. So the answer 2.125. Right? It is the 8th part. Right. Then next one also I am going to get the answer using this method. 40. First I am going to convert into improper fraction. 40 times 3. 40 times 3 is equal to 120 plus 7, 127. Then 40 you can convert into 1000. We can't convert into 10. Also we can't convert into 100 by multiplying a whole number. So you can convert into 25. You can multiply by 25. Then you can convert into 1000. Then both numerator and denominators you have to multiply by 25. 127 multiply 25. Right, now check the answer. 5 times 7 35, remaining 3. 5 times 2 10, plus 3 13, remaining 1. 5 times 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. Then also you can multiply by 2. 2 times 7 14, remaining 1. 2 times 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. 2 times 1 2. 5 7 11 3. 3175. The denominator is 1000, no? So you have to keep, there are 3 decimal places to convert into decimal, right? So the answer is 3.175. It is the 9th one answer, right? Then I am going to get the answer for number 10. First I am going to convert into mixed number into improper. Denominator is 125. Numerator 125 multiply 5. What is the answer? 625. 625 plus 40. 639. Then 125 you can't convert into 10 by multiplying a whole number. No? Also you can't convert into 100 multiply by a whole number. But you can convert 125 into 1000. Right? You have to multiply by 8. Then you can convert into 1000. Also 639 you have to multiply by 8. 8 times 9 72, remaining 7. 8 times 3 24, plus 7 31, remaining 3. 8 times 6 48. 48 plus 3 51. 5112. Then the denominator is 1000, so you have to keep, there are 3 decimal places. So the answer is 5.112. Right. Are you correct the answers? Now there are 10 parts I discussed using, there are 2 methods, right? First method I discussed the first 5 parts. Numerator divide by the denominator using the long division method. Also you can convert fractions into decimal. Second method I discussed the denominator of the fraction you can convert into powers of 10. That means 10, 100 or 1000. Then you can also get the answer, right? Then you can select the easy method for you. right, to get the answer. Right, next 5 parts I am going to discuss the answers using both methods. Look at number 11, 13 over 10. Denominator is 10, no? So if the denominator 10, you have to keep one decimal place. So the answer is 1.3. Next one, I am going to get the answer using the long division method, 27 over 20. Right, 27, I will divide by 20. 27, how many 20s? 1. 1 times 20, 20, remaining 7. There are no digits to get here, so you can put 0, then you have to keep the decimal point. 70 divided 20, 3 times 20, 60, remaining 10. Another 0 you can put, but you remember, only you can put one decimal place, okay? 100 divided 20, 5 times 20, 100, remaining 0. So the answer is 1.35, right? 1.35. It is the 12th one answer. Also, I am going to get the answer for the next one using the long division method, 7 over 5. 7, we have to divide by 5. 7 divide 5, 1. 1 times 5, 5, remaining 2. Then you can put here 0, then keep the decimal point. 20 divide 5, 4. 4 times 5, 20. Remaining 0. So what is the answer? 1.4. Right? 1.4. It is the 13th part answer. Then we can go to discuss 14th one, 97 over 8. Also, I will use the long division method. 97 I will divide by 8. 9 divided 8, 1. 1 times 8, 8. Remaining 7. This 7 you can get here. 17 divided 8, 2. 2 times 8, 16. Remaining 1. Also, next digit, there are no digits here to get from to this position. So you can put additional 0. Then you have to keep the decimal point. 10 divided 8, 1. 1 times 8, 8. Remaining 2. Another 0 you can put. 20 divided 8, 2. 2 times 8, 16. Remaining 4. Then another 0 you can put here. 40 divided 8, 5. 5 times 8, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. Now you can stop your division. So the answer is 12.125. Right. Look at the last one. Last one, I will convert the denominator into power of 10. Right? You can understand both numerator and denominator by multiplying 4. You can convert into denominator 1000. Right? So I can write the denominator is 1000. Numerator I can write 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 5, 20. Remaining 2. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Then the denominator is 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros, no? So you have to keep 3 decimal places. So what is the answer? 1.004. 1.004. Right. Now using both methods, I discussed these 15 parts. They are the 11.2 exercise question of your textbook. Right. They are the answers. Decimals convert into fractions convert into any type of fractions. Now you can convert into decimal now. Now let's go to discuss decimals lesson 11.3 exercise answers. There are 6 parts given of this exercise. Decimal multiplied by the whole number. Right. Now look at what you have to do. 2.45. We have to multiply by 6. First you ignore this decimal point. Right. Then 245. First you multiply by 6. 6 times 5, 30. Remaining 3. 6 times 4, 24. Plus 3, 27. Remaining 2. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Then what you have to do finally? You check how many decimal places of this number. There are 2 decimal places. So finally you have to keep, there are 2 decimal places of this number. That means before last 2 digit you have to keep the decimal point. So what is the answer of the first one? 14.70. Right. Then let's go to the next one. 0.75 multiplied by 4. Ignore the decimal point. 75 multiplied by 4. 4 times 5, 20, remaining 2, 4 times 7, 28, plus 2, 30. Then you check how many decimal places of this decimal number. It has, there are 2 decimal places, so keep finally 2 decimal places of the number. So what is the answer? 3.00. 3.00 means it is a whole number, no? Right? If you want, you can write the answer as 3.00. Also, if you want, you can write as the answer 3. Right? Both are correct. Right. Now look at next one. 3.47 multiply by 15. Right. Then let's go to multiply. Ignore the decimal point. 347. First you multiply by 15. First I will multiply by 5. 5 times 3. 5 times 7, 35, remaining 3. 5 times 4, 20, plus 3, 23, remaining 2. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Then I will multiply by 1. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 3, 3. Now you can add these two. 10, remaining 1, 12, 5. Then you check how many decimal places of this number. There are 2 decimal places, so you keep 2 decimal places of the answer. So what is the answer? 52.05. Right? 52.05. It is the final answer of third one. Then let's go to number 4. 15.28 multiplied by 31. Ignore the decimal point. 1528 you can multiply by 31. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 8, 24, remaining 2. 3 times 6, 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 times 5, 15, remaining 1. 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 8, 6, 13, remaining 1. 7, 4. Then finally, you check how many decimal places of this number. There are 2 decimal places, so you keep 2 decimal places of the answer. Right? It is the fourth part answer. Then next one, 0.055 we have to multiply by 3. First you ignore the decimal point. 55, first you multiply by 3. Right? 3 times 5, 15, remaining 1. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Then what you have to do, finally you check how many decimal places. 3 decimal places, so you keep, there are 3 decimal places of the answer. There are no digits before the decimal point, so you can put here 0. So the answer is 0.165. Next one, look at the last one. 1.357 multiplied by 41. Ignore the decimal point and these two multiply first. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 1, 1. 4 times 7, 28, remaining 2. 4 times 5, 20, plus 2, 22, remaining 2. 4 times 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, remaining 1. 4 times 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then you add these two, 7, 13, remaining 1, 5 plus 1, 6, and here 5, and here also 5. Then you check how many decimal places. There are 3 decimal places, so you keep, finally there are 3 decimal places. Right? It is the decimal number multiplied by a whole number. Answers getting method. Right. Then let's go to discuss the 11.7 exercise answers. Right? The 11.7 exercise given decimal number divide by a whole number. Right. Now look at how we can get the answers. Right. Look at the first one, 84.6 divide by 2. You can use the long division method to get the answers. Right? Using the long division method, you can get the answer for this exercise. 84.6 you have to divide by 2. Right? 8 divide 2, 4. First you keep the decimal point here, right, in correct position. 8 divide 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8, remaining 0. Then this 4 you can take here. 4 divide 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4, remaining 0. Then next digit you can get here. 6 divide 2, 3. 3 times 2, 6, 6 minus 6, 0. So what is the answer? 42.3, right? 42.3. Then let's go to the second part, also long division method using, you can get the answer. 16 divide 4, 4 times 4, 16, remaining 0, then you take 7 here, 7 divide 4, 1 times 4, 4, then remaining 3, then you take this 2 here, also you can keep the decimal point in correct position, right? 32 divide 4, 32 divide 4 is 8, 8 times 4, 32, subtract these two, the answer is 0, right? Next one, 54.6, you have to divide by 3. First you can keep the decimal point here, then 5 divide 3, 1, 1 times 3, 3, remaining 2, 24, divide 3, 8, 8 times 3, 24, remaining 0, then this 6 you can take here, 6 divide 3, 2, 2 times 3, 6, remaining 0. So the answer is 18.2, right? It is the third part answer. Then look at the next one, 98.58 divide 6. Keep the decimal point here, right? 9 divide 6, 1. 1 times 6, 6. Remaining 3. Then this 8 take here. 38 divide 6, 6. 6 times 6, 36. Remaining 2. Then this 5 you can take here. 25 divide 6, 4. 4 times 26. 4 times 6, 24. Remaining 1, then this 8 you can take here. 18 divide 6, 3, 3 times 6, 18, 18 minus 18, 0. So the answer is 16.43. It is the fourth part answer. Then another question part we can discuss, 74.5, right? 74.5. Divide by 5. First you keep the decimal point in correct position. 7 divide 5, 1. 1 times 5, 5. Remaining 2. Then this 4 you can take here. 24 divide 5, 4. 4 times 5, 20. Remaining 4. Then this 5 you can take here. Right? 45 divide 5, 9. 9 times 5, 45. Remaining 0. So what is the answer? 14.9. Now we discuss first 5 parts of this exercise. First question, right? It is says, not difficult, right? Decimal number divide by the whole number, right? Then let's go to next one, number 6. 35.86 you have to divide by 2. Keep the decimal point in correct position. 3 divide 2, 1. 1 times 2, 2. Remaining 1. Then this 5 you can take here. 15 divide 2. The 15 divide 2 is 7. 7 times 2, 14, remaining 1. Then 8 you can get here. 18 divide 2. 18 divide 2 is 9. 9 times 2, 18, remaining 0. Then this 6 you can take here. 6 divide 2, 3. 3 times 3, 6. Remaining 0. So the answer is 17.93. 17.93. Right. Let's go to discuss the remaining parts of the 11.7 exercise, right? Next one, number 7, no? Number 7. Okay, look at number 7. Number 7 given 0.684 divide 6. First you keep the decimal point in correct position, right? It is easy for you. Then 0 divide 6, 0. 0 times 6, 0. Remaining 0. Then this 6 you can take here. 6 divide 6, 1. 1 times 6, 6. Remaining 0. Then this 8 take here. 8 divide 6, 1. 1 times 6, 6. Remaining 2. Then this 4 take here. 24 divide 6, 4. 4 times 6, 24. Remaining 0. So what is the answer? 0.114. Right? 0.114. Then look at the next one. Number 8. 0.735. You have to divide by 7. Keep the decimal point. 0 divide 7. 0. 0 times 7. 0. Remaining 0. Then this 7 you can take here. 7 divide 7. 1. 1 times 7, 7, remaining 0. Then this 3 take here. 3 divide 7, 0, 0 times 7, 0, remaining 3. 5 take. 35 divide 7, 5, 5 times 7, 35. Remaining 0. So what is the answer? 0.105. Right, then let's go to number 9. Number 9 given 1.08 divide 4. Then keep the decimal point in correct position. 1 divide 4, 0, 0 times 4, 0, remaining 1, then this 0 you can take here. 10 divide 4, 2, 2 times 4, 8, remaining 2, 8 take here. 28 divide 4, 7, 7 times 4, 28, remaining 0. So the answer is 0.27, right? 0.27. Then another 3 parts remaining of this exercise. To complete this, 7.401 divide 3. First you keep the decimal point, right? 7 divide 3, 2, 2 times 3, 6, remaining 1. Then this 4 you can take here. 14 divide 3, 4, 4 times 3, 12, remaining 2. Then this 0 take here. 20 divide 3, 6, 6 times 3, 18, remaining 2. Take here 1, 21 divide 3, 7, 7 times 3, 21, remaining 0, right? You have to divide until receive the remainder as 0, then you can stop your division, right? So the answer is 2.467. Right. Then next one, look at 8.04. We have to divide by 8. Keep the decimal point. 8 divide 8, 1, 1 times 8, 8, remaining 0. Then this 0 you can take here. 0 divide 8, 0, 0 times 8, 0, remaining 0. Then this 4 you can take here. 4 divide 8, 4 divide 8, 0, 0 times 8, 0, remaining 4. Further you have to divide, but there are no digits to get here, so you can put here 0. But you remember, don't again you put here decimal point, right? 40 divide 8, 5, 5 times 8, 40. So the answer is 1.005. Then another one part remaining to discuss. Right, let's go to discuss the last part. 11.745 divide 9. Keep the decimal point in correct position. 11 divide 9, 1. 1 times 9, 9. Remaining 2. Then this 7 you can take here. 27 divide 9. 27 divide 9 is 3. 3 times 9, 27. Remaining 0. Then this 4 you can take here. 4 divide 9, 0. 0 times 9, 0. Remaining 4. Then this 5 you can take here. 45 divide 9, 5, 5 times 9, 45. Remaining 0. So the last one answer 1 point, right? It is the 12th one, 1.305, right? They are the all answers for 11.7 exercise. The 11.7 exercise, given the questions decimal divide by a whole number.